Everyone, this is my second video on my channel and I wanted to show you what was going on outside since it's been a really big snowstorm these last few days. This is January the 3rd, 2018, and I did go out a little earlier just to walk to take my dog to the bathroom on the deck. Oh my goodness. And basically this stuff came overnight. All this and this and this. Oh my goodness. I've lived here for 6 years and I've never seen the icicles this long. They're literally like almost 5 feet. As tall as I am, and it's so cold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't like winter. I don't like snow. And that's where my dog goes to the bathroom. She does not like the snow. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.